Reggae Vibes Media, big up, you know. Looking at me chunk, you see me bob.
You see that? Looking at chunk, I think I joke. Looking at chunk, see Bob's there. See Bob's there, think I joke. I want to feel like a joke, you dog, I make. Right there, quick. Over there, I hear me talk.
When them in on them bed a dream and they a dream weekend. Them me at the bus stop I watch me speed past them. Me iron like Zion but a weak at them. And some weak at them, a peer weak at them. Money enough, drinks enough, gal buff up. Lame as you have no gal, just shut up. Party from Monday night till Monday night. Bar run out now, bar restart.
Yeah, people you don't know after the party, you know what I mean, we have to take on the strip. You see me I say, and see the vibes, you know what I mean, and hear a couple of the people them officer. When I say the people, I talk about the vendor them. You know what I mean, who out there we are hustling and try to tear the thing and dig it out. So look now.
So big up poppins, you know. You hear me talk quick and fast like how Messi can pass. And we are moved to see the only in Jamaica. Jamaica alone, look at that people. Only in Jamaica. Watch it. Say something.
Chicken sandwich, I tell you. Sardo's Cafe, after already one chef curry, I tell you we are matched up. You see me best in the West.
Hold on.
We have a big up one star boy Rodriguez. That's the most innovative man in Jamaica right now. We not ask cry.
See the people, Reggae Vibes be there. You know which bad artist they write us up. You know which bad artist.
Yeah, man, a Rico, diplomat, no lip, no chat. Reggae Vibes, one vibes on Reggae Vibes, keep the vibes alive. Rico, diplomat, when the flipping take go off. Here, girl, I broke out for me. Reggae Vibes.
Wet and wild aftermath, this name bike taxi. What you mean? Bike taxi. Fully. Yeah, man, it's active. Man, do the road. That's it. That is it, people. See it there. I love it. The strip does nice, active. People are make money. People are do them thing. You know what I mean? See, yeah, man, jerky.
Yeah, man, hot already me have just some man.
Right there, so you know what I mean? Reggae Vibes me. That see it, they're looking at Panda, man. Hot and ready. Remember, you know, dream weekends, you know, people. When you forward next year, see me, look for him. Yeah, man. Right there. Who he does a drink and not drink no water. You know, when you drink, you have to drink a lot of water. You have to keep your body hydrated. You see it? Yes, so the aftermath, these people. We are bringing the after effect of Wet and Wild. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right. They say them woman, Wet and Wild, you know. If a man have to buy a water gun for him girl for go on fire. See there? Police at large, so no matter feel like safety and a joke thing. Yeah, right there. Big up yourself, no general. Yeah, man, the police them there too, so no matter feel like another joke thing. People them well safe and secure. Can't grab no bag. Yeah, man. Yeah. Everybody party and fresh same and nice. Right there, bike taxis them load up. You know what I mean? 3 to 4 clients on a bike taxi and now man, a Negril alone. Yeah, man. Negril alone, people. You have to reach in, you know. You see it? See it there, bike taxi. All I tickets them are cut. Yeah, man. Reggae Vibes, you know. Quick. For the ride there. The ride. Yeah, man. Our world. Say something, you know.
Reggae Vibes Media, big up, you know. You see, man, we have video? He might do it over and over and over and over. So look, you know, tune in. Because remember, insanity to the world for you see what I go on. Remember fashion so that. I remember me not the yard clothes. Anytime you see me, I am foreign. God, I'm a designer, big up. Looking at me chunk, you see me Bob.
You see that? Looking at chunk, I think I joke. Looking at chunk, see Bob's there. See Bob's there, I think I joke. I want to feel like a joke, you dog, I make. Right there. Quick.
Them me at the bus stop I watch me speed past them. Me iron like Zion but a weak at them. And some weak at them, a peer weak at them. Money enough, drinks enough, gal buff up.
Day or this year, next year, you know what I mean? 24. Yeah, man, forward car. 23 and nothing normal. The vibes just right. Everything just good. The people them fall out and I will be a vice be nice. No war, no fighting.
Oh, you know the thing say, wet and wild we say. 2023, big up, big up, big up.
Weekend 2013, you don't know. Big up Dream Weekend.
All the way from Canada, Toronto, the 6th, you know where they go.
So people at the aftermath this. Yeah, wait a while after the party. Forward the camera, come close shot for nobody here. Yeah, wait a while, 23, Dream Weekends. Tell about the experience.
Was amazing. Was amazing. So
Will you yourself?
to the max.
So later we're going to see the clash?
Of course.
All right, a Dream Weekend 2023. My name is 100 or 40. Big up yourself here, mama. Say dream weekend. Yes, if you're dreaming, wake up.
Wake up.
Remember that. Wake up.
Wake.
Big up VIP jam down to you. You hear that? You have to wake up. The girl them. Money in our pocket, man. It's so hard, man. I must have a rich.
Who open up your ears now, man? Teddi Medicine, now what you have to talk about? How you talk about? Buff charge? Hey, woman, you travel with two front, you know, you get charged.
And up that air, baby, and up that air. And up that air, you flow, you
Yeah,
flow.
man. Reggae Vibes are in our street. Moody say roving report. Come now, man. You want to say something? Say it now, man.
Trinidad. Don't know. Don't change from Trinidad. That's a big room. Don't know.
You hear that, people? Trini in the building.
For the talk that we're coming. Deep on us, you feel hard.
Look at that guy.
Loving you,
Look
make
at
you
that
call me
guy.
back again. You know, want him back again. You know, want him back
Here,
again.
man.
Me put the
Ready.
traffic
Come
jam in your
on.
parking
I'm
lot
here,
again.
man. Hey.
Baby girl, don't you waste time. Come brace mine, wine your waistline. No, Mr. Girl, I got the buff, man. Charge up. Let me beat it up like catch up. Baby girl, I got you mesmerize when you feel the size in between your thighs and the nature eyes and the wave it rough and the see the skies and your blood disease and the. If you're not happy, a female come in a mind. Me fly out of the city, girl, and please the time. You touch tongue, party, Teddy, baby, please and wine. I hope you crease your spine. Telling up, Teddy got the loving for you, abominate joy. And when you bumping on the grind and just eliminate pride. And this I love it, knock you hot, cause summer weather may fly. I got you rolling like a snake, I got you moving like a spider. Don't you waste time, come brace mine, wine your waistline. No, Mr. Girl, I got the buff, man, charge up. Let me beat it up like catch up. Baby girl, I got you mesmerize when you feel the size in between your thighs and the nature eyes and the wave it rough and the see the skies and your blood disease and the. Baby, I got you plug in, I switch your lights on. You're still singing to the beat when the mic's gone. You grip me tight, baby.